Okay, so me and Lizzie.
He's seen it already.
Lizzie and me are gonna shake hands. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Okay, that was our first thing. You've seen that before. Are you ready? It's our hug. I don't know. She's rolling it. She goes, next thing you know,
Ah! Tiffany is lame because she didn't go out with us tonight.
yes.
I'm sorry.
Kids.
I'm so very sorry.
And nothing happened.
Okay.
So you absolutely
And she
stay home.
quit. She wouldn't be a teenager. She would do nothing.
Thank you, Butler.
I'm going to bed.
She missed the fun. It's her fault.
And all we did was chill out of the park.
You're a whore,
Yeah,
and
we
that's
played
your
on the
fault.
fire truck, okay? We played on the fire truck.
Yeah,
That
we
was the most
played on the
amazing
fire
thing ever.
truck and the stripper pole.
And then they kept trying to come over there and mess with me because I was yelling at Shane supposedly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was on the phone with Shane.
Oh, you raising your voice?
Hey, let me ask you this.
Ma'am.
So he was an ex-crack kid.
That's on camera.
Get that off there.
Bye.
I told you I've never done nothing.
Say bye, bye, guy.
Bye-bye.
Who is